How to make a Pokeball bag. You need red and white yarn and a hook. Roll the yarn on the finger. If you want to see how to crochet a bag, watch the video on the description. In that video I make these 3 bags. Crochet with red. Start to crochet with white. When you finish to crochet the bag, take a black material, cut the material on the bag with silicone glue. A circle and now cut a circle from a white material. Glue the white circle on the black circle. I'm using a silicone glue. Glue the black circle on the bag. Now little Barbie have a beach bag. I am glad that we found a Pokemon bag. We must search for a Pokemon hat. Yes!